Yo, welcome to the channel, back to the channel. In this video, part 1 of 2, we are going to unbox the SR7 Hoonicorn from Team Associated. Their 1/7 scale roller. We're going to chuck some TP in it, we're going to chuck some Castle in it, we're going to chuck some Onyx packs in it, take it to the Velodrome, take it for a rip. Let's get to the workshop and have a look at this thing. I'm so excited. Let's unbox this. So exciting! Ready? Oh yeah. Check out the size of the cable ties on here. Let's get it out. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Check it out. The detail on this. How epic is that? Oh, I can't wait to take this for a rip. Let's have a closer look. Check out scale turbos and exhausts. Oh yeah. Not just stuck on, it's actually cut into the bonnet. You can see the suspension through there. Side here, some kind of, what is on the side? Velcro. All right. Oh, not sure I like that. Could have done a quick release system. Here you go. That famous Ford Mustang badge. That's quite nice. Take them out and actually weather them and make them look even better. Light buckets, ready for light. Bag full of bits. We'll have a look at that in a minute. Aluminium motor mount, Mod 1 gearing. Fully adjustable geometry, turnbuckles, nice. Metal bodied shocks, plastic top caps, not sure about that, but you know. Standard servo and receiver box. I hope Scorch. Dave, get some parts made for this. This is going to be epic. Look at that. Hoonicorn, Team Associated. Nice. Nice car. Right, let's drop the infraction on top just to see how much difference there is in size. Infraction and shoulder shot. Line up the wheels. Well, it looks to me like it's the same wheelbase, pretty much, but she is just a fraction longer on the Aero and about 20 mil wider at the front, maybe 30 mil wider at the back. It's just fractionally bigger. Nice. Let's see if this 5650 fits in here. I'm not sure about the mounts. I have to take this rotor lock off. Dave, rotor lock for this soon, please. Scorched. Yeah, look. So much room between the steering. That was one of the things I didn't like about the infraction is positioning of the motor. You had to either skim this to put slightly bigger motors in or completely change how the whole layout of the car was. This looks like, unless of course this doesn't fit, straight in with it. So we'll have a nice fat 6-pole motor in there. Try and reenact that 1400 horsepower that the real car has. Sweet. We're also going to need some monster power. So 8S, not 6S. We want 8S. So we're going to put in this Monster Mamba X 8S. Plenty of room for that. We'll get a little gyro action in there, and we'll probably put a monster servo in from Ludicrous in there. And then to top it all off, power type motion, a couple of these bad boys from Onyx. Or maybe we'd throw some of these in, or some of these in. Let's have a look underneath the car, actually. See if there's any ground effects. Aero. Okay, so we've got a nice bit of aero here. Similar sort of shaped chassis to the Infraction, which is nice. Same at the front. It'd be nice to get some titanium on here too. I think I might have to be drilling some holes because I've got some titanium from Scorch that I might be able to stick on here. I might be able to use the same holes here somewhere. Get some sparks. There's some upgrades you can get. I see already some carbon that you can put inside here. Don't really know why you would do that. Better to have them weak, I think. Maybe it stiffens them up a little. Oh, that suspension's lovely. Hopefully it'll take the weight. Might have to adjust the springs to take the weight of what we're putting in there, because she's going to be a bit heavier than what you would normally stick in. Let's have a look. I don't want to cut anything, I don't. Ooh. Come on. Rini. There. Everybody loves stickers. I've got more coming, actually, the monster stuff, so hopefully they turn up in the next couple of days. We can get it looking really like a Hoonicorn. Yeah, generic. Yeah. Some blurb adverts for other stuff. Want a 1/7 version of that one day. The SR7 features. Certificate of conformity. That makes her official. Sweet. And then the manual. All the blurb you need to fix it. Pretty useful to keep. What's in the bag? Some choppy things. Lots of goodies in the bag. I think probably bits of the, some extra mounts, body mounts by the looks of it, posts and things. Did come with a pinion. It's got a good opinion. Looks a bit small, especially for that, no, we need an 8mm for that TP motor. Hopefully this fits. There's the slider. Very, very similar. Slides in and out here to adjust your mesh. Another set of springs. That's interesting. Maybe they're stiffer. They were expecting someone to put more weight in this. That's useful. All right, so some good goodies in the goodie bag. And drum roll. No, it's not going to fit. Oh, it's way off. Look. Get that hole. Nope, I think. And it'll still give monster power. And it's an 8mm shaft. So the 5660 will have to wait for a little bit. And I think we're going to have to throw that in there like that, which will still be epic, trust me. So what's in the car, I hear you ask? Yeah, we put a sound module in. We'll show you that later. Your usual GPS for speed runs. But we've got a TP4060 2000 kV motor in here. But we're running 8S. Not 6S, so we're a little under the factory ready to run, which I think is 2300 kV, but we're running an extra bit of power. Modified LHB battery, 6600 times 2. We've got a Monster Mamba X 8S ESC for now, a Yokomo gyro V4, and we've got a Demond 60 kilo servo in there. So she should be ready to rip. And I just noticed this is number 664. A couple of fans. And then underneath, for some sparkage, we put some scorched titanium bumper buttons or splitter buttons just to give a little bit of sparkage, maybe. This should rip. Not sure. Only one way to find out, innit? Kill all tyres. My favourite velodrome for a speed run. But there's too many kids, we don't want to knock anybody down. Well, she just wants to... She's too lively, man. We're hardly touching the throttle. Smooth, but so much twitchiness. There it is, the SR7 going around the velodrome, TP powered, Onyx powered. But it just ain't gonna go in a straight line. Too much power, not enough setup. So part 2, which is down below, the link that is, we're gonna take her sideways. We're gonna do what this car was made to do, and that's shred a load of tires. And when I say shred tires, this thing is not kind to tires. I thought the infraction was bad. So head on over, watch part 2. Thanks for watching. Is it me, or is everything doing 47 mile an hour these days?